Hey, today we will be discussing key points of income deemed to accrue or arise in India. Firstly, let us discuss the interest, royalty, and fee for technical services. Existence of business connection is not relevant. Only place of utilization is important. Let's check taxability if received from Indian government. Always deemed to accrue in India. If received from any resident, always deemed to accrue in India except A. If utilized for foreign business. B. If utilized for earning any income from source outside India. If received from non-resident, will be deemed to accrue in India only if A. If utilized for Indian business. B. If utilized for earning any income from source in India. Taxability of salary for services rendered in India by non-resident. Always deemed to accrue in India, including leave period preceded or succeeded by such services which forms part of employment. Example, leave encashment, gratuity etc. Now we will see salary for services rendered outside India where employer is Indian government. It is always deemed to accrue in India. Allowances and perks are exempt under Section 10 subsection 7. Pension paid to officials and judges will not be deemed to accrue or arise in India. Now taxability of dividend by Indian company. Dividend paid by Indian company to non-resident shareholder outside India is always deemed to accrue in India. Presently dividend is taxable in hands of shareholder. If foreign company is resident in any year in India, then dividend declared by such FCO is not taxable in India. Thank you and stay tuned for more such shorts. Follow and subscribe the channel for tax concepts.